Hey, how's it? And welcome back. Lina girls right there. Davey D's over here. Time for some shakas and shoutouts. We got to show off our bracelets over here, sis. Shakas and shoutouts over here. First of all, shakas and shoutouts to our Native Hawaiian plants. In celebration of Native Hawaiian Plant Month, Kamehameha Schools and Windward Mall invite you to the second annual Ho'oulu Heʻeia this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Center Court.
That's right. Learn how important La'au Hawaiʻi is to our community, and at the same time, enjoy fun educational activities for keiki, like music and entertainment for all ages. Plus, shop the marketplace, featuring local vendors offering plants and related products.
Hey, for more information, you can check out kitv.com/links. And on this last day of Women's History Month, shakas and shoutouts to some amazing Native Hawaiian women that were recognized in a Senate resolution led by a bipartisan group of 34 U.S. senators, including Senator Brian Schatz.
Yes, shakas and shoutouts to Queen Ka'ahumanu, the beautiful Mary Kawena Pukui, who is being celebrated this month for the Native American $1 coin. Also, aloha to Auntie Edith Kanakaole, who is already on a quarter. I love that. Wāhine getting out there on the coins. Isabella Kawakea Yaoyong Iona Abbott, the first Hawaiian woman to receive a doctorate in science, who is credited with discovering 200 algae species. Emma Ka'ili Kapuolono Metcalf Beckley Nakuina, the first female judge in Hawaii, and Rel Kapolio Ka'ehukai son, legendary surfer, ranked as a world champion longboard surfer and co-founder of the Women's Professional Surfing Association, and actually a very dear friend of Davey D's.
You know, actually, remember she used to call us on the radio station to do our surf reports.
She was
And
she's
I'm not
part
a
of our
surfer.
radio family.
Yes. But every time she would do the surf report, I'm like, oh man, I like go swinging there. I like go surf.
You want to go out
I
there,
felt
yeah?
inspired.
Yes, absolutely. Now, each of these wāhine have helped shape the history of Hawaii, and we are so very, very grateful to them.
Absolutely. All right. For more information about our shakas and shoutouts today, again, you can go to kitv.com/links. Finally, shakas and shoutouts to enjoy snacks.
Yee! It's time to enjoy life. It's time for enjoy snack.
It's fighting me.
It's time to take my notes off the bag. All right, today we get to show off one of brother, this is one of their very best sellers. And I think it's because they just don't skimp on the size. You know, sometimes when you get the gummies are like this tiny, right? The little gummy bears, right? But these pineapple gummies, brother, they
3D
are huge.
pineapple gummies.
Oh my gosh.
Or 3D gummy pineapple.
The
Let's
3D
get that right.
gummy pineapple.
Oh, de meron le. That's
yes.
so nice. Maybe I can wear that.
That's perfect.
Now,
graduation, okay, fun stuff.
And as you can see, they're individually wrapped and perfect for omiyage, party favors, gifts, and snacking on the go. 3D gummy pineapple is available in a mini version, a candy lay version, and the new dark chocolate covered gummies, which we've tried.
Yes.
Ooh, how about guys winners?
And you know, the beauty of this is it's so accessible, family. It's available at Sam's Club, Walmart, Long's, Walgreens, Target, Don Quixote, NEX. I mean, pretty much anywhere you shop for the big mambucha bags of snacks, right? You gotta grab your Enjoy snacks.
And it's around my neck too. I'm gonna eat this while we get caught up on the news.
Yes, absolutely. That's a great idea. As I rip open this bag, let's go ahead and check in with Jai Cunningham, who is sitting at our Island News desk. Brother, what's our top stories we need to know?
Hey, thanks, Lina and Davey. You know what? Perfect also for graduation season. I mean, absolutely ideal. Hey, let's tell you about Hawaii Island.